Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 in Shiraz Red. The car's got the daytime running lights along with the lower front fog lights. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car's got the 16-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels. Going around to the rear, the car's got the rear parking sensors with the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is the TFSI version, so it is the petrol engine. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the heated exterior mirrors with the electronic windows, black cloth front sport seats with the grey inserts, 3-spoke multifunctional leather steering wheel, S-tronic automatic gearbox with the air conditioning unit and Audi's MMI display. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.